Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to automatic install iOS updates after iOS 14 and 13.7. So guys, please follow the steps. So first of all, open settings, scroll down and tap on general, then tap on software update. Please check Wi-Fi to be connect your iPhone and iPad. Then tap on customize automatic updates. In customize automatic updates, so turn on download iOS updates and turn on install iOS updates. So automatic install software update is overnight after they have been downloaded. You will receive a notification before update are installed. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you so much.